Hi, I'm Stuart Lee with Lightning Kayaks, and today we're going to dip into the mailbag and answer your questions about our new Air 9 inflatable. Question number 2 comes from Wild Bill 198. Wild Bill asked me, Stu, do your Air 9 inflatables fly? I don't know, Bill, but let's find out. All right, here's the start of test 2. I'm going to raise it up to the roof, chuck it off our building. All right, I'm ready.
At the tail like a spear or what?
Well, Bill, I hope that answered your question. These cannot fly, so please don't think of them as magic carpets. But no damage.